It's currently very hot out, so I'm going to show you some of the units running. Here's the GE 5050 BTU. It's running on low. Here's the higher 5000 BTU unit, the smaller of the two. They're both splashing, as you can hear. This one's also running on low. It's set to 69. Nice. I don't know what the other one's set to, but and you can hear the other splash from the other unit because it's over there. There's the larger, higher unit. I don't want to step foot in that room because it's freaking disgusting. But there it is. And I'd like to get another video on it one day. There are the neighbors' two Frigidaire units. They look at least to be like 15,000 BTU, maybe bigger. They're both the same unit, at least on the surface anyways. These units are usually running. For some reason they're not for like the past little bit, and it's really humid today. And then there's my unit, the Gold Star, 5050 BTU. It's not running right now, but they do have me some fans going. It's a Blasco 12-inch. It's missing its badge and the oscillating switch broke. And then over here's the other Lasco 12-inch. The other one was running on high, this is running on low.